How to make a group on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make a group on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to make a group on Snapchat, open up the Snapchat application and you will see this type of interface. If you're here on the chat page and then you would like to create a group, you can just tap on this little new option from the bottom right of the screen here, and as you do that, here you can see new chat or you can see new group. So you can tap on new group and then simply give this group a name and simply choose to add people to this group and tap on the chat with group option. So you can also go to this group name section and just give it a name that you want. Then you can tap on chat with group. As soon as you do that, the group chat will get successfully created on Snapchat. This way you can make a group chat on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.